Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we're going over outdoor dining furniture. You guys, this is from Fee Villa. It is another 5-piece set for dining spaces, so 4 chairs and your table. This is a really elegant piece. Oh my goodness, it looks amazing, and it just is going to provide a lot of comfort and look just almost like you're at a resort or a golf course in your own backyard. This has a beautiful metal design on the back of each chair. It's just gonna add, just a little notch above, a little bit of style. The entire thing is going to be made out of powder coated steel. So crazy durable, it can support a lot of weight, and it's going to be resistant to rust and corrosion. Also really easy to clean, so it's gonna hold up too. The tabletop itself is a faux wood look, but it's again going to be waterproof, so you don't have to worry about having it out in the elements, having it out in the rain, even having it next to your swimming pool from kids running around, wet swimsuits, that sort of thing. Everything is going to hold up over time, even in those summer conditions, if you will. These also have a really nice cushion on the seat that are removable, washable, all of that good stuff, but they just add an added layer of comfort there. This also has the umbrella hole in the middle, so you would need your own umbrella. It doesn't come with the umbrella, but it does have the hole in the middle to where if you want to add an umbrella on sunny days, you absolutely can. This is a great set, you guys. It'll get you enjoying all of the summer fun, lots of meals outside, and fun with your family. So go ahead and put it in your cart. You'll be so happy you did.